guys, it's India. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another crochet braid video and I am so excited for this one. Today's video is sponsored by Toyotress. Thank you so much to Toyotress for sponsoring today's video. So you guys, this is the hair right here. It's the Marley hair in 26 inches and this is how it looks up close. You guys can see it is super duper long. So we're gonna cut it in half and that's gonna be the perfect length for this style. My braiding pattern for this style is 6 cornrows on each side. You guys can see that I went ahead and crisscrossed the middle because I am gonna do a middle part. Right here, I'm just undoing my leave out because I thought I was gonna flat iron it first, but I decided to wait until the end and install all of the hair first. So for this, all you're gonna need is a beater. You can pick this up from Amazon or you can use the crochet latch hook. You do get one in the pack with the hair. For this, I just like to take the beater and go directly under the braid going forward. And then you just take the hair, insert it through the loop, and I did split the pieces in the front just so that it wasn't too much hair. I went ahead and just pulled it through to the back. So this is gonna give you a nice seamless front. You won't have those knots right in the front of your head. You want to go ahead and continue this all the way around. I made sure I did all the front first just to get that out of the way. And it is super easy. Just bring the beater right under the braid going forward, put the hair in, pull through, and then I only knotted it one time. And you guys can see how the hair looks in the front. You don't have any of those knots. Now we're gonna go ahead and work on this middle section so we can do our invisible part. So you're just gonna take the beater and go towards the middle of the braid. And we're still using half pieces here. Just pull it through one time and you're gonna do that for this entire middle section. This is great if you want to do a middle part. Now you can do your crisscross anywhere and you can have a left side part, a right side part, and you can do the invisible part in 2 sections. So you could do the invisible part down the middle to have a middle part, and you could also crisscross another braid on either side and do this again. You guys are gonna see that I only have this middle part, but I'm actually gonna end up wearing my hair to the side, and it's just gonna be a flip over method, and you guys will see later on how I am able to do that. Once you do one side, go ahead and complete the other, and then this is what your part is gonna look like right down the middle. You don't have any of those knots. It looks really good and seamless. So this is after I installed 1 bag of hair. So for this style, we're actually only going to be using 2 full bags, and I believe you do get 6 in the pack. So for this, all you need to do is take the beater and go, you can either go right under the braid or you can go into the braid and then pull the hair through. You can either just pull it through once or you can actually go ahead and knot it. It is Marley hair, so it does tend to stay in place. Right here, I'm just showing you guys how the hair looks after I went ahead and blow dried one side. So the product that we're gonna be using is this silicone mix, and it's like a leave-in conditioner. I picked this up from my beauty supply store, and I honestly believed this helped the hair out so much. So I definitely recommend that you guys pick up this product. If I can find it on Amazon, I will link it in my Amazon storefront for you guys. If not, just try to find it at your local beauty supply. After you go ahead and apply that leave-in conditioner to the section of hair, you want to go ahead and comb it out. You can do a little like finger detangling first and then comb it all the way out. And then you're just going to put your blow dryer on high and then blow dry the hair. So I did try to use a blow dryer attachment comb, but honestly, it just wasn't working out that great. The one that I had kept popping off. So if you don't want to use that, then you can definitely just use a paddle brush of some sort or kind of just do the tension method where you just pretty much hold the blow dryer to the hair and just get it straight like that. So after I completed all of the blow drying, I went ahead and got out my hot rollers. These are by Remington. You can pick these up from Walmart. I believe the pack was maybe about $30 or so. And once again, if I can find them on Amazon, I will link them for you guys. Before I installed the hot rollers, I went ahead and cut the hair. I definitely could have cut off more. Those clips that you guys saw in the very beginning, that is after I had actually cut the hair again. So if you do want it to look a little shorter, make sure you cut a little more off. I went ahead and flat ironed my edges. You guys can see that I left out just the perimeter. And right here, I realized that I had actually burned some of the Marley hair off with the flat iron. So keep in mind that amount of heat. I believe my flat iron was on 400, and 400 does burn this Marley hair. So be very careful with that. You can actually flat iron your leave out first if you want to do that, or, you know, kind of just pin your Marley hair out of the way while you are flat ironing so that you don't burn any of that hair off. So after I went ahead and flat ironed my leave out, I got ready to install the hot roller. So basically with the hot rollers, you just plug it in. It does not have a setting, so I actually don't know what temperature the hot rollers are on or like how hot they get, but I've used these hot rollers a few times with this style and I haven't had any issues, so the hair should not burn off. I literally just take it and just comb out a little bit with my fingers and then just roll it up, and I make sure to get the leave out in there as well so that can kind of blend in with the Marley hair and just get nice and smooth. Now you do get different colors. You get purple, white, and pink, and they're all different sizes. For this style, I only used the purple rollers, so I had enough purple to roll the entire back part of my head. So I did that, and then I let them completely cool, maybe about 30 minutes or so, completely cool. And then I took them out, and then I went ahead and rolled the front part. And once I rolled the front part, after those cooled, I took those out and then began just to kind of play around with the hair and see how I wanted to wear it. So you guys can see this is a middle part. I did put the blow dryer to the top just a little bit more to help it get a little bit more flat. I tried to play around with the bang a little more, and this is how the middle part is looking. I added a little bit of argan oil to my leave out as well. And then you guys can see here, I kind of just flipped it over to one side, and I definitely love it a lot more like this. I went ahead and added a bit of argan oil to my leave out to help with frizz, and this is the final result. Definitely let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of this style. Be sure to check out Toyotress so you guys can pick up this hair. And I also linked the products used in today's video in my Amazon storefront, so be sure to go check that out as well. I'm also going to be doing an update on this hair as well as a nighttime maintenance routine, so be sure you hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on, give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!